Hello everyone, this is your daily drills. Thanks again for coming around my channel, and I really hope you stick around to the end of the video. These parrots will prefer to be a dog instead. This is a cockatoo, and it belongs to a family of medium-sized parrots, which generally communicate with one another by vocalizing in a really loud annoying squawk. But cockatoos, like any other parrot, also mimic the sounds they hear in their environment. Take this one for example.
I have a question. Yes. My question is, why do you think you're a puppy? No. Why do you think you're a puppy? You bark. You go, ruff, ruff, ruff. You're not a puppy.
This is a time-lapse footage that shows the violent volcanic eruption of Mount Etna. Mount Etna is an active stratovolcano on the east coast of Sicily in Italy. It lies above the convergent plates margin between the African and the Eurasian plates. As you can see, it is not an attractive place for tourists. This is Bermuda, the shipwreck capital of the world. The mystery behind so many shipwrecks in this triangle is still yet to be uncovered. This wreck is that of a Pollock shields, built in 1890 in Germany and became a Navy supply ship for World War I before being captured by the British. It came to an unfortunate demise after she struck a reef a few hundred yards from shore. All lives were saved except for the captain. And this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll be seeing you very soon.